Hello there, and welcome to The Beauty Way, a lifestyle channel for women in their 50s. I decided to start a YouTube channel because I had some very close people in my life cross over recently, and it got me thinking about my legacy. And I believe that all of our legacies are the people that we've been able to touch and influence in our lives. And I want to touch and influence as many people as I can with my talents, gifts, and abilities. I really believe that creativity keeps us young, and so we have to try new things. And you might find something here for you that inspires you, uplifts you, something that, whether it's your face, your skin, your hair, your makeup, your wardrobe, your home, your gardens. I know how to make them more beautiful. I know how to entertain in a way that's beautiful and graceful, and I'd love to show you how to create art. Even if you're a novice and you've never painted anything before, I can show you how to create beautiful pieces of art. If you'd like to learn about the way that I eat and my low-carb lifestyle, I have lots of recipes and ideas about how to cook, how to shop, how to live a lifestyle that keeps you long and lean and beautiful. And I have a lot of interesting workouts that I do. My meditation practice and my connecting with the other side with my angels and guides. I'd love to share with you the ways that you can do that as well. My family, friends, and neighbors are always wanting to know how I did this or how I created that. And trust me, the things I do are not hard, but I don't always have time when I see them to explain it all to them. If you're my age in your 50s, I think you might be interested in the same things that I'm interested in. And you're most welcome here, and I'm excited to get to know all of you. So click subscribe if you're interested, and click the bell so you will be alerted whenever I put out a new video. And we'll all stay young and beautiful together. Namaste.